ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southern Oklahoma City, Norman, Moore, Newcastle. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cleveland County and central Oklahoma, west central Pottawatomie County and central Oklahoma, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over western Norman, Oregon, 7 miles north of Noble, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southeastern Oklahoma City, Norman, Moore, Pink, Stella, Lake Thunderbird, and Little Axe. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe